We have one that we built ourselves. So we put in a screen that has 15 pages of information. We doubled the number of outputs so we can be compatible with more phone systems. We use an Ethernet output for Cisco technology, for example, that has to be in a different format stream, which we can do now with no wires. There's no audio. It's completely digital. We're a Cisco solutions partner. We've developed the technologies and we own the technology. So when something needs attention, you don't have to go to a third party. So my warning is, be careful. If you go with a different on-hold provider, you'll be introducing yet a third company into your mix, one that has to service your box. We are that company. We build this right here. We put these together right here. We have vigorous testing. One of the reasons this works better is because it reports back to us. So it keeps a tally on its own health. The others just don't do that. If you need a piece of equipment, and remember, Easy on Hold is the company that can provide direct streaming. So if you can use that, you won't need any equipment at all. But if you do need a piece of equipment, or you're using this for the overhead background music, then this is the box that actually monitors itself and reports back, and it builds logs. So if anything were to happen, we'd know immediately what to do. And in fact, because of its internet connectivity, we can send updates to this box. So it's always going to have the latest firmware. You don't have to do anything. There's no pushing, there's no disconnecting and reconnecting, and you'll never have to ship it back. It'll never be bricked because we are controlling the software and it's completely secure. We have these working right now in hospitals, in banks, in very high level, high security situations, even in the federal government.